What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how I got this look right here, y'all. Can y'all tell me if this is a closure or a frontal? Like, it's a closure, sis. It's a closure, and we're gonna melt it like a frontal. If you guys want to see how I got this hair right here, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Alright, to start off this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my no bald cap method. I started doing this a while ago, and I found that it's way easier than actually applying a bald cap. And here I'm just applying makeup to my hairline. As you guys see, I started with a shade lighter, and then I'm going to go in with another foundation powder, which is my exact shade, and put that on top. And then off camera, I forgot to film that part. I use a little bit of my Got To Be freeze spray and then I let it air dry, and then we're going to continue to put on our wig. The company I will be working with today is Alipearl Hair. Here I'm just showing you guys the box and all of that came inside the package. Of course, you get your bag with your instructions. It came 26 inches, 180 density. I also got some little gifts. They sent me a little silk scarf. I got an edge control brush, a wig cap. I also got this little brochure on how to take care of your wig, a little drawstring silk bag to store your wig in after you're done, and I got an elastic band. So this is the wig. This is their 26-inch 5x5 lace closure. It is deep wave and 180 density. It did come with combs, but I took all of those out, and it does come with adjustable straps in the back. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to install. You already know you wanna clean your hairline with alcohol. I like to use 91% alcohol, and I just take a cotton swab and just clean the perimeter of my hairline. Once you get that done, you want to go ahead and put your wig on, line everything up, make sure you like everything, and then we're going to get to the laying process. Here I am showing you guys that there is an ample enough amount of parting space. You can do deep middle parts and deep side parts. It is a 5x5 closure again, so I was showing you guys that you can do side parts and middle parts. Before we get into laying the lace, you want to go ahead and cut off the little lace tabs on the side, and these are really only on the closures. You don't really see these on the frontals, but yeah, you want to go ahead and cut those off because we won't be needing that excess lace at all. Once you have that cut, you want to go ahead and take your Got To Be glued. I'm using my yellow bottle and my handy dandy popsicle stick. I'm just going to apply a thin layer of the Got To Be glued gel, and then I will be going over top with that with my Got To Be glued freeze spray. You can use the Got To Be glued black bottle or the yellow bottle, whichever one you prefer. I just have seen, and in my preference, like I said, I like to use the yellow bottle, but like I said, I'm going over it with my Got To Be glued freeze spray, and I'm just blending that in with my finger, just making sure everything is spreaded evenly. And I'm just going to use my blow dryer on a low heat setting, moving it around, and once you feel that it's tacky enough, you want to go ahead and lay that lace down. Once you have laid your lace down, you want to go ahead and start cutting off any excess lace. Once you cut off all your excess lace, if there is still some lace lifting or any lace that's not completely down, you just want to take some Got To Be freeze spray and a rat tail comb and a dryer and just press everything back down. But once you get that done, we're going to get into the baby hairs. I'm also going to be using the Got To Be glued yellow bottle for my baby hairs. I always use this, and I'm just doing two little simple swoops. With the baby hairs, I would just say practice makes perfect. I didn't do much. Like I said, I'm just doing some little simple swoops, and I'm using both hands. As you guys can see, I like to use my fingers on my left hand, and then I'll use the comb on the right hand and just work in between both motions. But yeah, once we finish the baby hairs, we're going to continue styling, and then we're going to finish up this install. Next, I'm going to be taking my hot comb and I'm just going to press out anything that looks bumpy or lumpy to me. I like my wigs looking really, really flat, honey, at all times. So your hot comb should be your best friend. At least in my case, my hot comb is my best friend. But yeah, like I said, I'm just pressing out everything that I think looks a little lumpy or humpy. And once I am satisfied, I'm going to take my spray bottle and start to detangle and define the curl pattern of the hair. This part was a little bit critical. Y'all, like, some people like to wear their hair fresh out of the box. Me, I like to play with it and manipulate it first before, I wear it. When detangling this hair, I got a couple snags, but nothing crazy. Like, it wasn't like tangling or nothing like that. But I did get a couple snags, and then I got a little bit of shedding. Not crazy shedding, but just a little bit. But I expect that from any type of curly or wave textured hair. For the products I'll be using, I like to take this Cantu curl cream and I'm just lightly putting that all throughout the hair. And I also like to go in with this mousse that I have. I can't remember the brand exactly, but I will be showing you guys in the video what the brand of the bottle looks like. It's a Maximum Shine Wave, and I'm also going to put that on top of the hair after the Cantu curl cream. Once you do that, I just like to finger comb through the hair, make sure that all of the hair is coated with the mousse and the curl cream, because this is what prevents the hair looking big and frizzy, I think. But yeah, you want to continue the same process on the other side, and then once you get your hair defined, you want to lay that lace down, and then we're going to start drying. Before you tie down your hair, I'm going to take my Got to Be Glued Free Spray and just lay down the closure one more time with my hot comb. Just press everything out real quickly before I lay down the lace with an elastic band. And I am using just an elastic band that was provided with me through the company. Now I'm just putting the mousse and stuff on the other side of the hair. Y'all, I was being a little messy and got it on my body, but don't be messy like me. Once you get that done, I've started doing this. I lightly blow dry the hair on a cool setting, and to me it like locks all the products in, and then my hair stays all day like that wet look. So yeah, here I'm just drying the excess hair, and that will be the completed look. Guys, this is the finished look, and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like when I took that band off, honey, because it was giving me real scalp realness. Now, I do want to show you guys the difference of the wave pattern, because I have people ask me this all the time. What does the hair look like when it's wet? What does it look like when it's dry? So this is what the hair looks like when it's wet. It's not dripping wet, but it's like damp wet, and I love, love, love the hair. It's true to length. It looks very cute, real full. I love it. Now, this is what the hair looks like once it's dry. It's been like 2 to 3 hours later. I went and got my nails done and whatever, and I did let it air dry. And of course, it had products in it that I showed you guys earlier. I love, love, love this hair, y'all. It's giving me such vacation vibes. I love it so much. Again, this is Alipearl hair. This is their 26-inch deep wave 5x5 closure wig. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.